Hi, welcome back to EST Online. Today, we're looking at one word, but a word that can be used in a few different ways. Influence. The word influence has a verb form and a noun form. Both are the same, but often people make a mistake with the preposition use and what the actual meaning is. Let's break it down. Influence as a verb almost never uses a preposition. For example, my parents influenced my study. My parents influenced my career. So that's a verb. There was no preposition. And it means that they gave me some direction, they gave me some path, but there was not too much pressure. When we use the noun, have influence, we can say have influence on or have influence over. In this case, it's a noun and it's much stronger. If I said, my parents had influence on my education, it means that they strongly pushed me in a certain direction. If I said my parents had influence over my education, it means they basically controlled it. So watch out. Using the noun, influence, we can use the prepositions on or over. On is a little strong, over is very strong. And when using the verb influence, we don't need any preposition. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on EST Online. Take care.